Where are we?
Number 6.
Number 6. We're on the 6th floor. So we're gonna find. Okay, so we'll go. All right. I guess we only have one way to go. Oh, look at this! A little balcony. It's locked.
Yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah, that's for the best. Okay, so we're gonna go that way. Okay, so it should be the next one coming up right here.
That one? Oh my gosh.
So we have the Chairman Suite 606. Come on in, everybody.
Whoa. Whoa. There's an entryway? Fishy, there's an entryway.
Entryway.
With chairs.
It's a kitchen.
And a kitchen. Okay, this is fancy.
Wait, Mommy, are you bring on snacks?
Okay,
Mom, don't touch it.
no. Be gentle with that.
A living room.
A bedroom.
A dining room. A dining room. Oh, I see. Kitchen.
Yeah.
Breakfast nook. Dining room. Is this what you call a Davenport?
A Davenport.
Hey, look. Hey, look. The thing you like the most.
Oh, yes. Ah. Welcome, Adrian. Hilton Honors Gold. Yes, thank you, Hilton Honors.
Wait, I can't see where you
Oh, wow. And it opens.
And it opens, and we get a balcony because Mom likes balconies. This was for if Mom would have been here.
That locks it. I don't think it opens.
I didn't.
There.
Oh, it's cold. Come on.
And
This is so cool.
we have pool views. Oh, it's a grotto, and there's the swim up bar.
That will be open tomorrow, but who's gonna be swimming? My God.
I know it's too
Let's
cold
go
for
inside,
any
inside.
swims, and we have our 2 chairs out here on the veranda.
Not 2 chains, but 2 chairs.
And then is this a window or is it another veranda? It is another veranda.
Now, Misty, try the chair. What do you-
Chair.
What do you think?
Good.
It's good.
Yeah. Table. Yeah. Picture. Cake.
Paintings and photos and pictures.
And a Davenport.
I know, and a dining table for 8.
Look, it's Daddy's pooping bathroom. That's where you gonna poop. That's the only place you're allowed to poop.
This is the only place I'm allowed to poop, so yay, a toilet. Oh, look, there's a shower in here.
Oh.
Did you find the light switch for this area?
No.
Oh,
Heroes.
And dog.
it is. So how do we illuminate this?
Is it behind the door? Nope.
Oh,
Wow.
I guess we just have lighting from the lights.
Another veranda? Wow.
Wow.
Another one. This is a third one. So everyone can be outside in different places.
At the same.
And here I thought looking from the outside, this is like each balcony is one room.
Yeah, I thought that too, but apparently it is not.
Save some free, or not just a fridge.
That's a fridge?
That's
Okay.
Oh look, a getting ready area.
A getting-
Ooh, I like that.
You like that?
Yes.
A closet.
With fancy laundry bags and robes. Oh, here's a light switch.
Watch your head, baby.
And then, oh look, another shower and another toilet.
Yeah, you don't get to poop in that one though.
And then, is this what I think it is? It is a door to the hallway.
Okay. Hey. That's not strange. That's kind of normal.
There we go. We'll lock that. You found the bed. A comfy bed. Yes, let's take our shoes off because we are not barbarians.
Let's take them off over here in front of this is a closet. Yeah.
It is a closet. Are there more robes? There's more robes.
Apparently like 5 people can live here. And let's take the shoes off here.
And then, okay, and then we have additional bedding here and more hangers and another laundry bag.
Well, I bet that couch turns into a bed.
It sure does.
It turns into a bed.
The plan was Mom would get the room and we'd have the couch bed.
Oh, so you never changed this reservation?
That's right. I never changed this.
Oh, poor Mom.
Because, you know, it's for Mom.
Yeah.
And this way we can think about her. And
Think about her while she's not here.
Right.
Probably, baby G.
What? Hey, are your feet stinky?
Yes, Dad.
No, do not smell your foot.
It's so stinky.
I can smell it from here.
Oh my goodness. Can you get your sock back on or do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay. Final thoughts?
2 thumbs up.
2. Misty, do you like this room?
Yes, Mom, Dad, I put in the hole in myself.
Oh, it's just a little one. It will be okay.
Oh.
All right, Misty, you know what I need from you?
Go.